Hey everyone, this is Ryan B with Practical Forex Trading, and this is your weekly analysis for the Nasdaq 100. The date is March 15th, 2020. If you want to stay up to date with all of our Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and other currency pair videos, make sure you click that red subscribe button on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Okay, so we're looking at the weekly chart for the Nasdaq average. And what we see here is last few weeks have been a major sell-off. I typically don't usually the volumes too much, but look at this volume indicator. If we look back, this chart goes back to, let's go all the way back to the big sell-off in 2008, 2009. And look how small that sell-off was compared to recent moves, right? So it's just because this index is getting more and more money in the market. So recent moves, we see this really big, steep sell-off, huge selling in the last few weeks, a lot of profit taking, a lot of fear. People don't want to lose money, so they've been cashing out. And now what we see is a large bearish candle, but quite a rejection from the support line. So the question was, there's a lot of buying there, or is it just all the selling created a really extreme candle? So my sentiment is bearish, but we do have support at the 6,800 line. All right, so that's where price kind of stabbed into here. But I think we will see more continued selling over the next few weeks into the summer, possibly down to the 7,200 mark. But we do have the support zone, so let's go ahead and map that out. And it's important to think about support and resistance as a zone, not just a finite number. So we see here, historically, when price comes into this zone, it quickly moves out, right? It's either a sell-off or it's a buying opportunity. Then when price pushes above it, we see here an extended gains. So now price came back down and tested this level again. With the body of the candle closing at 7,900. Now, why that's important is, well, it still looks pretty bearish. So let me go ahead and show you why I'm considering. Is that, see this zone here, or this was resistance here, or support here, the body of this candle closed below this. So that's my sentiment for more selling. I was looking for some kind of support line as well, possibly here, but it's minor. I mean, price could hang above there. Let's go ahead and map out a scenario that would say bullish in the future. So how I'm going to do is I'm going to take my main base trend line, and I'm going to draw my parallel trend channel and stretch it up here. And we see here that the price did close above, the body of the price did close above this line here. So that's really encouraging, meaning potentially we can see more buying as price hangs out around the 7,700 and the market continues to go back up. The bearish scenario is price continues down here, but still, once again, it looks like a super good buy at that point, right? If I'm thinking about, now this is, of course, is just an average. You can't buy this per se. This is just a metric, a leading indicator for how the market is. But if we see the market stabilize and buoy up, then that's your next big buy. Price continues up over the next few years. So we're really looking for price to hold above 6,800. If price declines below 6,800, then the bearish sentiment continues. Bullish, at this point, now we need to see above 8,100. So bullish above 8,100. Right, so price needs to close and really hold above this. So right now we're kind of caught in the middle. The next few weeks are really important. We'll see what happens with the market if the sells continue, and then what leads to the next big buying opportunity in regards to stocks that are included in this index. All right, everyone have a profitable week. Stay strong. We will talk soon.